Hello again, you've got me working on my latest project, a classic CL4030. This is why you want to make sure that your installer, in this case a dealer east of Richmond, Virginia, you want to make sure your installer installs a swing check valve. Not an $8 part, which this dealer routinely likes to leave off of their stoves. Subsequently, there was a problem with the piping where it was joined in the ground, something I personally don't like to do either. Water level went down lower than it was ever designed and burned all the insulation off. I'll get it right. Don't you worry. I'll get it right. This stove will live again, be well insulated, and serve someone nicely in the future. Again, if you have an outdoor wood boiler with any insulation that you value, make sure that it has a swing check valve on the return line. Catch you guys later.